I just find it real crazy how niggas will dap you up and nigga talk no cap, nigga.
Say it to my face. Like,
word.
So it's your boy June. I'm back with another video, man. Look, I told y'all I was gonna finish my exhaust. We had a small issue though. I had a gas leak, so I had to change my sending unit, which I should have recorded, but I didn't. I be slacking, y'all. I be slacking. But we about to get the exhaust done now. I see the car out there, but we not at Henry's. We're at Corky's Muffler, Wilmington, North Carolina, Carolina Beach Road. Y'all come hit them up, bring them all your business. You know, they got the lowest prices in town, guaranteed. It's about to cost me $150 to get my secondary caps deleted and my resonator deleted, and they gotta make a custom Y pipe. $150 for all of that. When Henry's was charging $150 just for making the custom Y pipe and deleting the resonator, guys. We finding a good deal. This is why I just be patient sometimes and I wait and I look around. But see, man, I just see they under there working hard. You know what I'm saying? They getting it done. So if it's too loud, what I'm gonna do is get some vibrant resonators and bring those back and have them put vibrance back on. But if it's not like OD obnoxious, then yeah, we're gonna rock with it. I already had the muffler deleted, but it wasn't making no noise. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a two-part vid. I should have been dropped the muffler delete video, but I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna make a dual video. I'm gonna do a two-part vid. That way y'all can hear the comparison. You know. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Help me run it up, and I'm gonna start being more serious. It's just that simple. Y'all, we here still. They got the resonator and the caps cut off right here. They getting the Y pipe welded on right there. See you doing this thing. Yeah, she looking good, y'all. Already she looking good. I just can't wait to hear that. Y'all know what I'm saying? I can't wait to hear that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Hey Lou, say what's up to the YouTube gang. Where are you gonna do me like that? My bad, y'all. Lou, say what's good to the channel. Yeah, got niggas. Yeah. Whoa. Not unless you need me to. You hear me? Pull up with that big 30, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all whenever it's done. Whenever it's coming off the lift and they hit that motherfucking, that's when I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yeah, full straight pipe from the cat back, y'all boys. It ain't nothing. Oh my goodness, and his welds are immaculate. He the one that did all the welding, y'all. Don't go nowhere else. If you in Wilmington, if you in South Carolina, I don't care. Don't go nowhere else but Corky's Mufflers. You know what I'm saying? Give me a little thumbnail. Don't go nowhere else but Corky's, man. I'm telling you. Shit. Corky's Muffler. He the man with the plan. Yes, sir. Hit y'all when it hit the ground. All right, go ahead. I'll let you do it. You did the work. Yes, sir.
Might need a key.
He got it. They in the passenger seat.
He don't have a break. I got video. Yeah. There go that little turbo. Yeah. Yeah.
There don't be no fucking place not supposed to.
Yeah. I got you.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That motherfucker sound nice.
You hear the turbo shit now?
Damn right.
Yeah.
That shit sound good as a motherfucker.
Yes, sir.
Oh man.
Ever see somebody happy about getting their exhaust job?
I'm happy as shit.
People walk out like, God damn, man, forgot about
Hey y'all, so I lost some clips. I got new phones. I was too lazy to go in my iCloud and try to transfer all that over. I'm having trouble trying to even get stuff on my iMovie on my iPad. So bear with me. So yeah, I apologize.